Here in the first stage for the backlight, here in the stickers to prevent the backlight diffuse. And in the second stage, here's a LED lamp, part of the basic elements of the LED lamp, maturing the lamps. And on the other stages, when they finish all the assembling on the backlight model, now keep going. Well, in this part, we finish more. Here, the middle frame, also this front frames. Now come into this back side. Now the middle frames, I'm going to lock it. Here's the supporting frames and the diffusion layers. Here's the pane with the lock, and keep going for the next stage. Here is the OC, the liquid crystal. Going to remove and place it with a holder. Here's the anti-color glass. Can remove the protector. This is middle frame with touch, the infrared touch with 8 stickers. Touch frames. Now to the final stages. Got to fasten it. The motherboard. Here's the take-home, and also the power board. For the further checking, here shows different antenna, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it comes from motherboard different interface, so it comes with a customized service. For the following parts, here's the power board. Okay, so after all is finished, we're gonna fasten it and classify it more clear and to the texting area. Texting area was in outside. I'm gonna show you later.